All right, so here we are under the T-Bird. First order of business. Our radiator's really bad down here on the bottom. It's leaking from the hose. We're dripping on the bottom tank. Definitely gotta take this to Gary. So we got that going. Lower arm bushings. They're cracked. They're not as bad as the uppers. Oh, well, these are. So the motor mount is looking like it's seen better days. All the steering components are looking kind of on the yuck side too. I didn't mention earlier in the last video, but I'm not a fan of flex hoses. They're kind of, they serve their purpose, but when you want to do something right, that definitely ain't the way to do it. Our tires are, God knows how old at this point. Looking for a date code. $53.02. So these are almost 20-year-old tires. Yeah, that's a no. I wouldn't drive this around the block. Motor mount on this side needs new rubber. Ugh, this is this side. All the steering components have seen better days. There's definitely something leaking, some serious oil, but you can tell the heads have been off it at some point. Surprised these freeze plugs aren't PP and cooling out. Let's see here. Trans is leaking. Oil pan's leaking a little bit. Not too bad, but you know, beggars can't be choosers either, so we kind of gotta pick and choose unless you want to go through everything, which is doable, but so we're missing the rest of the exhaust system. That's cute. It's real cute. Love how that is. So, oh my God. All right, definitely need to think about exhaust. Drive shaft U-joints have seen better days. The diff is leaking out of the front seal. The rear cover, it's pretty dirty too. Leaking out of the fill plug. Well, nothing in the brake seems leaky yet. We'll get into that later. These rear bushings are leaf springs. Ugh, my rubber's completely gone. Spring isolators. I'd recommend doing springs and isolators and bushings and the whole shebang-a-bang. Shocks are toast. Bright spot here is the fuel tank. It is nice. It's in good shape. Obviously, the fuel pump was working too. It's just got old gas in it, so we would drain that, and then, which is very simple. Thank you, Ford, for actually putting drain plugs on. And then we'd fill it with fresh fuel, and that should be good to go. Change the filter up front, rebuild our carb, and that's going to be that. So, the underside. Ugh. Yeah, suspension needs to be gone through. Lots of surface rust. Lots of patina. Yay. That's where our exhaust is supposed to come out. But, you know, all that's kind of missing. So we need to look into that as well. Lots to do, lots to do. But these scary old tires, yeah, those gotta go. So I recommend you order some tires up, because this is no good. Don't care how good they look, they're 20 years old. Most 20-year-olds look good, but you don't do that with tires.